Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their desires so effortlessly? You might be surprised to learn that one common stumbling block for many is the language they use in their prayers or affirmations. The universe doesn't understand the concept of a future. It's eternally grounded in the present. So when you say something like, "Today will be a fantastic day," you're essentially postponing your joy indefinitely. The universe hears this and thinks you're asking for a fantastic day in some elusive future, a time that never really arrives. So instead, why not tell yourself, "Today is a fantastic day," even if your current reality is far from ideal. Declaring the present in affirmative terms aligns your vibrations with your desires. Your words shape your world, so be mindful of your choice of language. It's like a sacred dialogue between you and the cosmos. It's crucial to stay rooted in the present tense. Your everyday thoughts and your emotions are like continuous prayers, sending out to the universe, and when you broadcast in the right frequency, in the right tense, the universe can't help but listen. Are you guilty of repeatedly checking if your wishes have come true, only to feel frustrated when they haven't? You're not alone. Impatience is another stumbling block we face when we're trying to manifest our dreams. We've all been there, asking for something and then obsessively checking to see if it's arrived. When it doesn't materialize instantaneously, doubt and frustration seep in. Understand this: the universe has its own perfect timing. It's not about us dictating when something should appear in our lives. It's about divine synchronicity. So why do some of your affirmations seem to fall on deaf cosmic ears? Often, it's because you're not only asking in the future tense, but you're also sitting back passively waiting for your wish to drop into your lap. That's not how the universe or God operates. Understand that the moment you conceive a desire, it's already created in the quantum realm. It's there, waiting for you to align with it vibrationally. Our universe is a world of resonance, like a track light. If your vibrational frequency wavers, filled with doubt or impatience, then that wish of yours finds it difficult to manifest. To bring it into your reality, you must remain committed in your conviction that it's already yours. You need to trust in the divine timing and know that what's yours will find its way to you. Another frequent oversight is spiritual alignment. You see, you could chant affirmations until the cows come home, or fill vision boards with endless pictures of your dream life. But if you're not spiritually aligned with your desires, they may never come to fruition. Think of spiritual alignment as tuning a radio to your favorite station. Have you ever tried to listen to a broadcast, but the radio was set to the wrong frequency? It's just static and noise, right? Spiritual alignment works in the same way. Often, that alignment involves letting go of lower vibrational energies, fear, doubt, jealousy, that clutter your spiritual channel. Only when you're resonating at a higher frequency can you truly interact with the universe in a meaningful way. That's when the magic happens. And those affirmations and vision boards become potent tools, not just wishful thinking. So, you've created a vision board and recited daily affirmations. What next? Well, dear souls, remember that manifestation is not a one-way street. It's a divine dance. When was the last time you danced solo and called it a partnership? Some assume it's like ordering from a cosmic catalog, expecting the universe to drop their desires at the doorstep with no further participation on their part. That's where the misunderstanding lies. You see, the universe is not a vending machine. It's more like a partner in a dance. It expects reciprocity, a give and take of energies. You put out a request, and the universe may send you an opportunity, a chance meeting, or even a challenging situation to test your mettle and prepare you for your desires, your actions, decisions, and yes, your continued focus and positive affirmations keep the dance going. The universe is not interested in one-hit wonders. It seeks a long-term relationship built on mutual respect and energy exchange. It may seem that we have a daunting task ahead to fine-tune this spiritual alignment and ongoing dance. Let's not forget that we have numerous guides and teachers, both in the physical and non-physical realms, always at the ready to assist us. Yes, indeed, we are never alone on this journey. Our spirit guides, angels, and even past life experiences offer a wealth of wisdom and perspective. These loving energies support us in subtle ways, providing synchronicities and coincidences that serve as signposts on our path. Remember, each step you take isn't just a move forward, it's a statement of intent that you are willing to grow, willing to change, and willing to embrace the boundless possibilities of your existence. In embracing these truths, do take note that the road to manifestation and spiritual alignment isn't always linear. There are twists, turns, and detours that could confound even the most devoted seeker. Sometimes problems aren't really problems, they're just wake-up calls. They make us stop, think, and maybe change our ways a bit. Don't see them as mistakes. Think of them as special detours that teach us something important. They help us get better at making our lives the way we want them to be. Your tough times aren't punishments. They're really just secret lessons. Let me share a prayer and meditation technique that has not only comforted me, but has also enhanced my spiritual alignment. First, sit comfortably in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, feeling your belly rise and fall with each breath. With each exhalation, imagine any tension in your body or mind just melting away. You might be wondering, what's the significance of these deep breaths? Well, think of them as the keys that unlock your spiritual doors. Once you feel your body is relaxed and your mind is calm, begin to visualize your desires as though they're already part of your reality. See yourself living the life you wish to live. Whether it's experiencing love, financial abundance, health, or any other blessings. Feel the happiness, joy, and gratitude radiating through your being. As you delve deeper into this visualization, start incorporating positive affirmations. Silently tell yourself, I am deserving. I am open to all the good and abundance the universe has to offer. Today is a magnificent day, and all is well in my world. The more vivid the affirmations, the more you're in alignment with your true desires. Finally, let's infuse this meditation with a prayer. Whisper softly to yourself or in your mind, thank you, universe, for making this or something better happen in my life. Feel your words becoming energy, a luminous frequency as you release this prayer into the cosmos. Open your eyes gently and carry within your heart the serene assurance that you've engaged in a sacred conversation with the universe. Know that this isn't just a momentary practice, but a continuous dialogue, one that you can always return to whenever you need spiritual sustenance. Think of living right now, in this very moment, like a simple but deep secret that wise people have known forever. When you really focus on what's happening now, it's like you're hugging the whole universe. Let's not forget saying thank you. Being thankful is like having a special tool that sets your soul to the same rhythm as the universe. When you wrap yourself up in real thankfulness, it's like you're shouting to the heavens, "I'm ready for good stuff and I'm ready to share it too." Each thank you is like a magic word that echoes forever and comes back to you as even more good stuff and chances to be happy. You see, we're all made of the same stuff as stars. The earth, the sky, the trees, and you, we're all connected like a big family. Just remember what you do affects everyone and everything around you. You're not just watching the world go by, you're helping make it what it is. When you talk to people, think of your words like you would a fragile flower. Your words can help heal someone's hurt feelings, or they can make things worse. Words are like matches. They can start a fire of love or burn a friendship down. So talk like you're planting seeds in a garden. Use words that show love and respect. If you do that, you're sure to grow something beautiful. Remember that your thoughts, words, and feelings are like a conversation with the universe. When you're positive and clear about what you want, the universe listens.